fall arrives, bugs will be looking for a safe place to stay during winter. Check out a few tips to help keep pests out of your home this fall. 1. Seal entry points. Preventing bugs starts with sealing potential entry points. Don't forget to check the areas around doors and windows. 2. Minimize moisture. Keeping your home dry can help deter fall pests. Repair or replace leaky pipes and leaks in ceilings. Minimize moisture buildup in your yard and house. 3. Keep your space clean. When your space is clean, there are fewer hiding spots and food sources. Remove clutter, clean up crumbs and spills, remove debris and trash from your yard. 4. Clear the area around your home. Trim shrubs and trees so they aren't touching the side of your house. Leave space between your home's foundation and mulch. Don't store firewood close to your home. 5. Use plant-based insecticide sprays. Spraying the perimeter of your yard and home with our plant-based yard bug spray can help keep pests away. You can also spray common entry points with our home bug spray to deter pests. For more helpful tips and pest information, be sure to follow us and visit our website at maggiesfarmproducts.com.